I don't know. Italian food is not really my favorite.
You're always complaining about everything. Just give it a chance.
It's not that I complain. I just have different tastes than yours.
Well, we can never agree on anything, so I guess I choose.
Fine. Should we tailor you one, like you always do?
Okay, calm down. We can choose a place together.
Sorry, maybe I was being a little impatient.
Okay, how about burgers instead of Italian food?
That sounds good to me.